Every great journey begins in the quietude of the high mountains, where the mist dances between the peaks and life awaits its moment to bloom beautifully. Upon these heights, where the climate meets in a perfect balance, the green sprouts of immortal peaches are stirring, promising a journey of absolute devotion to taste. The land stretches out like a green tapestry, woven with the threads of patience and the breath of the earth, waiting for the cycle of nature to unfold. As the world still sleeps, the guardians of the land step out into the cool air, ready to nurture the gifts that the mountain prepares for humanity's table. Every footstep on this rugged path is a testament to a legacy of hard work, a tradition passed down through generations to protect these precious mountain fruits. The sun rises, casting a golden glow over the valley, awakening the spirits of the trees and signaling the start of another day in this sacred agricultural cycle. In the silence of the dawn, the rustling leaves whisper secrets of the soil, while the crisp mountain air provides the purity needed for the peach's growth. Nature works in harmony here, where every insect and every leaf plays a vital role in the ecosystem, ensuring that only the healthiest fruits will eventually thrive. The farmer looks to the heavens, understanding the delicate balance of weather and time, hoping for the perfect conditions to bring forth the sweetness within the fruit. These hands, rough from years of labor, touch the young fruits with the tenderness of a parent, guiding the mamsan on its path to becoming something extraordinary. As the fog clears, the true scale of this devotion is revealed, a vast landscape dedicated to the art of cultivation and the pursuit of natural perfection. Preparation is key in the mountains, where the tools of the trade are sharpened with precision, reflecting the sharp focus required to maintain such a magnificent harvest. The stage is set, the light is bright, and the journey from a simple mountain sprout to a world-class delicacy has truly and magnificently begun for us. More than just soil and water, each peach is nurtured by tireless effort, guided by the invisible hands of those who understand the language of the trees. It is a labor of love, where patience is the most important ingredient, and every bead of sweat is a tribute to the quality we aim to achieve. Modern technology meets ancient wisdom, as advanced irrigation systems ensure that every tree receives the exact amount of hydration needed to produce the juiciest fruits possible. In areas where machines cannot reach, the human spirit prevails, carrying the life-giving water across rugged terrain to reach even the most isolated and precious trees. Then comes the transformation, when the valley turns into a pink paradise, a breathtaking sight of blossoms that signals the true beginning of the peach's life. Every blossom is a promise, and with the help of nature's small workers, the pollination process ensures that the cycle of life continues toward a bountiful harvest. Sustainability is at the heart of our practice, using precise data to protect the environment while maximizing the natural potential of every single peach we grow. Community and collaboration are essential here, as hands work together to support the weight of the growing bounty, ensuring no branch breaks under the pressure of success. Day by day, the fruit absorbs the energy of the sun and the minerals of the mountain, slowly transforming into the sweet treasure we all anticipate. Even the rain is a blessing, washing away the dust and providing a deep, cool drink for the roots, strengthening the trees for the final stage of ripening. Vigilance is constant, as the farmer's experienced eyes search for any sign of trouble, protecting the crop with a dedication that borders on the spiritual. We feed the earth so the earth can feed the fruit, using organic methods that respect the land and ensure the long-term health of our mountain orchards. From above, the geometry of the orchard reflects the order and care brought by human hands to this wild and beautiful mountain landscape for centuries. Every detail matters, and every tree is treated as an individual, receiving the specific care it needs to produce the perfect peach for the global market. A moment of rest is well earned in this demanding journey, allowing the farmer to reflect on the progress made and the harvest that is drawing near. The transformation is nearly complete, as the peach begins to wear its signature red blush, a sign that the flavors inside are reaching their peak sweetness. As the season of growth nears its end, the orchard stands ready, a testament to the combined power of nature's grace and human perseverance over time. The golden hour has arrived. When the skin turns to a regal red, it is time for the ultimate reward of our long and patient work. Each fruit is a gem of the highlands, harvested with a delicate touch to preserve its pristine beauty and ensure every bite is perfectly intact and delicious. The valley comes alive with the energy of the harvest, a coordinated dance of thousands of hands working in rhythm to gather the mountain's sweet bounty. Baskets overflow with the fruits of labor, each one carefully placed to avoid any scratch, honoring the quality that took months of dedication to create. The joy of the harvest is visible on every face as the community celebrates the successful culmination of their hard work and the bounty of the land. At the sorting station, the first level of quality control begins, ensuring only the finest, most perfect peaches move forward on their international journey. Attention to detail is paramount, as every single peach is inspected by experienced eyes that can spot the smallest flaw in a matter of seconds. The logistics of the harvest are in full swing, with trucks lining up to carry the fresh peaches from the mountain slopes to the modern facility. Protection is essential during transport, as we treat every peach like a fragile treasure, ensuring it arrives at the factory in its most perfect condition.
The food tastes
The
better
journey
out
from
here,
the peaks
doesn't it?
begins as the mountain's bounty travels down winding roads, carrying the essence of the highlands to the processing centers below. In the midst of the hustle, the human connection remains strong, as the workers share stories and meals, bonded by their shared commitment to the land. Taste the peak of ripeness, where the flesh is bursting with natural sugars and the juice is a pure distillation of the mountain's rain and sun. As the day ends, the mountains rest, but the work continues as the first batch of the harvest reaches the next stage of its amazing transformation. Documentation and traceability are part of our promise, ensuring we know exactly where every peach came from and how it was cared for during growth. The responsibility now shifts to the transporters, who ensure that the freshness of the mountain is delivered swiftly and safely to the waiting processing lines. The trees have given their all, and now they begin their own period of recovery, having fulfilled their purpose for this season of dedicated growth. Empty baskets signify a full heart as the harvest reaches its conclusion and the focus moves from the field to the art of modern preservation. One last look at the beauty of the fruit in its natural home before it enters the world of technology to be shared with millions globally. The transition begins as the quiet of the mountain gives way to the rhythmic pulse of the factory, where the second half of the story unfolds. Dedicated professionals are ready, standing at the gates of quality, prepared to treat each peach with the same respect it received on the high peaks. Arrival. The mountain's treasure has reached its destination, ready to be transformed into a lasting experience of flavor and quality for everyone to enjoy. Step into the heart of the transformation, where advanced engineering meets the fruit of the earth in a synchronized dance of modern industrial production. Purity is the first priority, as high-pressure water jets remove every trace of dust in nature, ensuring the fruit is perfectly clean for the next steps. We monitor every element of the process, ensuring the water used is as pure as the mountain springs where these peaches first began their lives. Our commitment to sustainability means nothing goes to waste. Peaches that don't meet our highest standards are returned to the earth as organic fertilizer. Laser technology peers inside each fruit, selecting only those with the perfect sugar content and texture, ensuring consistent quality in every single can we produce. Robotic precision ensures that the fruit is handled with extreme care, replicating the gentle touch of a human hand but with the efficiency of modern machines. The outer layer is removed with surgical precision, revealing the golden heart of the peach, ready to be prepared for its journey into the tin. Human oversight remains crucial, as skilled workers ensure that the machine's work is perfect, adding a layer of personal care to the industrial process. With a swift and clean cut, the peach is divided and the pit is removed, leaving behind the most succulent parts of the fruit for cleaning. Even the pits have a purpose, as we find innovative ways to use every part of the harvest, minimizing our footprint on the environment we love. Briefly immersed in heat, the peaches are blanched to lock in their natural color and ensure they stay firm and delicious throughout their shelf life. This delicate process is timed to the second, a balance of heat and speed that preserves the essence of the fruit at its absolute peak. We honor the invisible hands that started this journey, bridging the gap between the traditional farmer and the modern technician in one unified vision. Every adjustment is made with the goal of perfection, as we fine-tune our machines to respect the natural quality of the peaches we process. The containers are ready, sanitized, and waiting to hold the treasures of the mountain, prepared to protect the flavor for customers across the globe. Order and precision define the filling process, as each can is packed with the perfect amount of fruit to ensure a consistent and satisfying experience. Weight and volume are checked constantly, ensuring that every customer receives exactly what we promise: a full, rich portion of premium mountain peaches. Look at that color. It's the same vibrant yellow that the sun created on the mountain, now preserved and ready for the final touches of sweetness. Our light syrup is prepared with care, designed to enhance the peach's natural flavor without overpowering the delicate nuances of the mountain-grown fruit. Science ensures the perfect
We need to increase the output on line 3.
Content precisely to guarantee the same
Adjusting the
great taste
speed
in every
now.
single batch we produce. Even in the dead of night, the passion for quality never sleeps, as we work around the clock to capture the harvest at its freshest moment. The final immersion. The syrup flows, surrounding the fruit and sealing in the freshness that the mountain provided just hours before this very moment. Temperature control is critical, ensuring the syrup is at the ideal point to preserve the peach's texture while maintaining the highest safety standards possible. The seal of quality is applied, as lids are placed with lightning speed, creating an airtight environment that will keep the fruit fresh for years. The seaming process is a masterpiece of mechanical engineering, creating a perfect bond that ensures no air or bacteria can ever enter the container. Our operators are highly trained, managing these complex machines with the skill and dedication needed to maintain our global reputation for safety and excellence. Every can gets its own identity, a code that allows us to track its journey from the specific orchard on the mountain to the final consumer. A river of silver, a testament to a successful harvest and a processing system that values every single fruit as a gift from the mountains. The final stage of safety begins here, as the cans enter the sterilization chamber, ensuring that they are perfectly preserved for their long global journey. High-temperature sterilization is our guarantee of safety, using heat to eliminate any potential risks while maintaining the natural goodness of the fruit inside. We take no shortcuts when it comes to your health, monitoring the pressure and temperature with absolute precision to ensure the highest safety standards. A quick cool-down prevents overcooking, stopping the heat at exactly the right moment to ensure the peaches remain firm, crisp, and incredibly delicious to eat. This massive cooling system is part of our commitment to quality, ensuring every can reaches the perfect temperature before it moves to the labeling stage. Automation at its finest. Robot arms handle the cans with tireless speed and accuracy, moving them toward the final steps of their amazing journey. Every can must be perfectly dry before the label is applied, ensuring a clean and professional appearance that reflects the quality of the product inside. The brand is a promise of quality, and as the labels are applied, the story of the mountain peaches is ready to be told to consumers. We take pride in every detail, even the placement of the label, because we know that our reputation is built on the perfection of our presentation. Advanced vision systems catch what the human eye might miss, ensuring that every can that leaves our factory is a perfect representative of our brand. The final assembly. Cans are grouped and boxed, ready to be shipped across oceans and continents to bring a taste of summer to your home. Secure and sturdy packaging ensures that the fruit reaches you in the same perfect condition it left our facility, no matter how far it travels. Efficiency in logistics is key to our global reach, as pallets are organized and stored in our state-of-the-art warehouse, ready for immediate dispatch. Full traceability is maintained until the very end, allowing us to manage our global inventory and ensure that our products are always fresh and available. Sustainability is not just a word, it's our practice. We recycle every drop of water possible, minimizing our impact on the precious mountain ecosystem. By harnessing the power of the sun, we ensure that our production is as green as the orchards where our peaches are so carefully grown. There is a deep sense of pride in this factory, a knowledge that our work brings joy and nutrition to families all over the world daily. As the sun sets on another day of production, we remain committed to our mission of preserving nature's best for the global community we serve. This can is more than just food. It's a vessel of our history, our technology, and our deep-rooted passion for the perfect peach experience. Leadership and vision drive us forward, ensuring that we never stop improving our methods to bring you the highest quality fruit on the market. From the mountain to the can, every second of this process is dedicated to capturing the soul of the peach for you to enjoy anytime. The journey goes global. From the quiet peaks of China, our peaches cross oceans to reach every corner of the world, carrying mountain sweetness. Every container represents thousands of hours of human effort,
Look how
now ready to be
beautiful
shared with
these
families in
peaches
distant
are.
lands and different cultures
Oh,
worldwide.
wow. Can I have some right now?
In a home far away,
They
the
look
journey reaches
delicious,
its final
honey.
destination. A mother opens the can, and the scent of the mountain orchard fills her kitchen. The fruit looks as vibrant and fresh as the day it was picked, a testament to the technology and care that preserved its natural essence. The joy of a simple dessert brings the family together, a moment of happiness made possible by the hard work of people half a world away. Each bite is a connection between the eater and the earth, a bridge built of flavor, dedication, and the timeless beauty of the natural world. On shelves across the globe, our brand stands for trust and quality, chosen by millions who value the true taste of premium mountain-grown peaches. Even the most demanding culinary experts recognize the excellence of our fruit,
Look at that
using it
beautiful
to create
color.
masterpieces that delight the most
And the
refined
taste is
palates
even
everywhere.
better.
This is the circle of life
I
and
have some
labor.
more?
One hand plants the seed,
Here you go,
while another
sweetie.
enjoys
Try the
fruit,
watermelon.
united by a
Yum.
shared
Thank you,
appreciation for
Daddy.
quality. From the mom's
She
on the
loves
peaks
this.
to the sweet taste on your table, this journey of devotion has come full circle, touching lives globally. As the sun sets on the mountains once more, we prepare for the next season, ready to repeat this cycle of passion and perfection again. Every peach is a story of effort, patience, and love. A circle connecting the heart of nature to the hearts of people everywhere on Earth. Thank you for joining us on this journey of devotion. Taste the quality, feel the heart, and cherish the journey in every single bite today.